Botanical Gardens of the World. Royal Botanical Garden, Kew, London. This was a private garden of the Keppel family to begin with in 1728. It was taken over and leased by Prince Frederick, Prince of Wales. From that time, it came to be known as the Royal Garden and later was given to the nation by the royal family. It gradually developed into one of the best botanic gardens in all aspects by the efforts of the botanists and horticulturalists working in the garden. It covers an area of 300 acres and has the world's largest herbarium. The garden has different sections and several large conservatories. Sir Joseph Dalton Hooker, author of Flora of British India and of many other important botanical works, including Genera Plantarum, giving a natural system of classification of flowering plants, jointly with George Bentham, was once a director of this garden, and John Hutchinson, who proposed a new phylogenetic system, worked in the herbarium of this garden. Royal Botanic Garden, Edinburgh. This covers an area of 50 acres. This was at the beginning a garden of medicinal herbs established in the middle of 17th century. Later it developed into a botanic garden. It has a beautiful rock garden and a herbarium with a good collection of specimens from Central Asia among other things. Botanical Garden, Berlin, Dahlem. The Botanical Garden of Berlin had been situated in two other places before it was transferred to Dahlem. In 1880, the area of the garden is 103 acres. Associated with it are the Botanical Museum and the Herbarium, both having rich collection. The garden is mainly geographically arranged, while in one part are arranged different families according to the systems of classification of Engler and Prantl. There are large conservatories, good rock garden, and several decorative pools. Professor Adolf Engler was one of the director of this garden, by whose efforts the garden became one of the most important botanic garden for the scientific arrangement and for the beautiful layout. Wonders Garden, Vienna. This is a large garden and one of the oldest in Europe, covering an area of 400 acres. It has a fine alpine garden with varieties of cool climate plants collected from high mountains as well as from Arctic region. Main Botanic Garden, Moscow. This is the largest botanic garden in Europe with an area of 900 acres. It has a long line of conservatories and several tropical houses. Introduction and acclimatization of exotic trees and shrubs is one of the main features of this garden. It has a large herbarium, good laboratory, and library. This is Nikisau Botanical Garden, Yalta. This is another famous and old botanic garden and oldest in USSR, established in 1812. It covers an area of 272 acres. The different sections of the garden are well arranged and the Italian garden is one of the finest with parabolas and water reservoirs. It has a good herbarium of rich collection of specimens from southern Europe and western and central Asia. Indian Botanic Garden, Sipur, Kolkata. Established in 1787, mainly for cultivation of economic plants and timber trees. Robert Caird was the founder, who was succeeded by Dr. William Roxburgh, who gave William Roxburgh who gave the garden a botanical shape. At present, it occupies an area of 273 acres. It is the oldest and largest botanic garden in Asia and has, among other curious plants in cultivation, The big banyan tree, the largest tree in the world, covering in an area of about 15,000 square meters, the Central National Herbarium, the biggest herbarium in Asia, is situated inside this garden. Kebun Raya Botanic Garden, Bogor, Java. This is another old and famous garden being established in 1817 and covering an area of 200 acres. Among other things, it has a separate section to represent a virgin rainforest where nothing has been planted by man. It has a good herbarium and library. Missouri Botanic Garden, USA. The garden situated in the city suburb cover an area of 75 acres, but outside the city, the Grey Summit Arboretum occupies an area of 1600 acres. It has a large dome-shaped conservatory built on geodesic principle. Collection of orchids and succulents are excellent. It is an important center of taxonomical work and contain a large herbarium and library. Arnold Arboretum, Boston, USA. Starting as a small garden of the Howard University, it now occupies an area of 265 acres. It contains a number of greenhouses and a rich collection of bonsai trees, the oldest being 175 years of age. Thank you.